The LOB Analytics tool features a fully customizable dashboard enabling you to organize all the relevant data for your organization in the form of simple, easy-to-use widgets. In the dashboard space, you will notice a header which contains your dashboard selection dropdown, your edit, delete, duplicate, and add actions, as well as a dashboard calendar toggle. Below that is the space which houses your widgets along with an add widget section. To create a new dashboard, click on the plus icon. This will open a new window where you can name your dashboard, then select the correct privacy settings. Private means the dashboard can only be seen and edited by you. Public means that anyone who has access to LOB Analytics can view your dashboard. You can then either choose to have default widgets or start from an empty space. Once done, click Save and you will be taken to your newly created dashboard. When creating a new dashboard, you have the option of selecting default widgets. These widgets are a select set of widgets that have default settings without any specific filters or formulas applied to any of them. They make a great starting ground for widget creation and editing. You can edit the widget by clicking on the upper right corner of the widget and selecting Edit. This will take you to the configuration page of the widget where you can change the settings and save the widget. In this case, we will add a voicemail KPI and rename the widget to My Widget. Upon clicking Save, the widget is refreshed along with our custom settings. You can see here that instead of the default widget, it is now My Widget along with the new KPI that we added in. Default widgets cannot be deleted or changed. So the next time you create a default widget, it will remain exactly the same prior to any changes that have been applied to it. In this example, we created a new KPIs default widget, and none of the changes that we made prior to it were saved. To add a new widget, scroll to the bottom of your dashboard and click on the Add Widget icon. This will let you create a widget completely from scratch without any of the default settings. In this case, we will name it Test Widget and add in some KPIs. Upon clicking Save, your widget will now appear in the position of where your Add Widget icon was. To change the position of the widget, just drag the upper left corner and place it where you would like it to be. To resize your widget, go to the lower right corner so you see the arrows and drag it until it's as big or as small as you would like it. To delete your widget, just click in the upper right corner, select Delete. The dashboard calendar toggle in header lets you switch between individual widget time ranges and a global date range. Once toggled on, all the widgets in your dashboard will now load with the data from the time range selected. If we switch it to last month, all the widgets' data will now refresh with last month's data. To turn off the global dash calendar, just click it again, and all your widgets will now default back to their specific date range settings. To switch dashboards, click on the drop-down in the upper header and select the appropriate dashboard from the list. You can pick either from all dashboards, which are shared between your organization, or in My Dashboards, which are your own private dashboards. Upon clicking on the dashboard, all the widgets in your dashboard will now refresh and be populated with the specific widgets created to that dashboard. In addition to the dashboard dropdown and dashboard calendar, the header also houses several other tools that are important to widget creation. It lets you edit your dashboard, where you can rename the dashboard and select privacy settings, or delete your dashboard, where you can delete your dashboard and have it erased. In addition to these two features, you can duplicate the dashboard, which lets you create a copy of your dashboard with the exact same widgets